So we'll start again today. I'll explain how we can push the Flash app to the GitHub, and then how we can set up web app inside the Python anywhere. Okay. So let's do something. We'll create a branch here itself. Like if you want to create branch, you have to go here and type Flash app. I'm giving the name of the branch Flash app. Hit here we can see create branch. Okay, so yes, the branch has been created. Now what do we have to do? We have yeah, like yesterday how we did here. We'll open git bash. Okay, then we have to git clone, then take this link, paste it here, and hit enter. The Flash app has come. Now we are not pushing code to the main branch. So what we have to do? Git checkout. Like now, if you want to see what are branches there, then you can do git branch cd. You have to go inside the folder actually. Flash app. Now you can do git. Sorry, git branch. Now you can see there is one branch. Okay. Now it has changed to the folder has changed now to the sub branch. Okay, now what we can do, we need to get our codes. So I'll just copy. I have already code here, so I'll copy from here and I'll paste it here. Okay, it's done. Now what we have to do, we have to uh, open these, and we should do this first because we need a readme file. Before that we have to go to the main branch again. Yes, now after that you can copy whole the thing, paste. It is done. Now you can again go back to the your folder, as app. Yes, now you can do git add all. Then we can commit git you commit your message adding enter. Now we have to do git push head. Yesterday all these things I have explained. Now you can, if you go back, there is an, if we reload it, then we can see our all the static file which has our html file, and this is the Flash app which we have for the function. Then we can do the compare pull request, Then see, now adding flash app, create pull request. Then it will check everything, what all difference thing will be there, and then merge the pull request, confirm merge. Okay, now it has been merged. Now if you go to the main branch, you can see there is some changes happened. You can see like static file and this everything has come. Requirement dot file, basically we have our all the libraries. Okay, yeah. So I hope you believe we yesterday we have created one this virtual environment. If you want to check what is the name of the virtual environment, you can go to files, and then here's there is something called virtual environment. Then there is something called test. Okay, test. Yeah, this is the name of the virtual environment. Yeah, similarly if you have to go to the console, open a new console, then what you have to do to activate the virtual environment, we need to write work on test, name of the virtual environment. Then you can see this test has come here with a bracket. Then we can understand like, okay, it has, the test has, I mean the virtual environment has activated. Now what do you have to do to get file? Yesterday as I have explained, git clone the link of this URL. What I do, I have to paste, then everything will be coming. Okay, then I have to go inside the file. Correct. So I will go flask app. Correct. Inside this you can see there is a file called requirement.txt. So this whatever library we have will get in the requirement.txt, and then we need to install this. So to install this, what we should do, pip install r the file name, hit enter. See, it's already satisfied, so we can move forward. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the web tab. Now if you go to the files, you can see there is something called flash app. Inside this we have something called flashapp.py. This is our main function, and this is our static file. Okay, so as you can see here, you can see in the function, we have given our local system path, so we need to change this path, and it should give python anywhere path. Okay, as we have given, we have to save this file. Then what we have to do, we have to go to the web tab. Okay, if you go to the web tab, there is something called add new web app. You can go create next, and then you have to go to the manual configuration. You have to select 3.9, and then you have to click next. Then what python anywhere will do, it will create a base for us. This is our URL, this is our website. So as you know, source code is our flash app. So you can type flash app. So it will take automatically the path. We have to give the virtual environment name test. Then we should do something. You can see there is this line, if name this function. We are not using this because with python anywhere we don't need this. WSG file will do all this job, so we have to remove this. Okay, and save this file. Then what you have to do, you have to go to this WSG file. You can see there are a lot of code here. So what we have to do, we have to remove everything, just keep the flash part. Other than that, you can remove Django and everything. You can remove, but keep the flash part. Okay, flash part. Wherever there is a single hash, you can uncomment that line. Like this. This is one, two, three, four, five. Five lines you have to uncomment. Now path. What is the path? Basically, this path is our flash app path where our path where is the app. So we have to write like you can see, right? This is the here we have the flash app. So this is the flash app path. Okay. So now here we have to mention where is our what is our function name. Okay, flash app dot py, right? So we can write like here flash app and save. If you save, after that what will happen? You have to go back, okay, and then reload this. Once you reload, you can see there's some error. Okay, this error is basically I am using that older version of Flash. So I can do one thing. Yes, let me do something to install the new version of Flash. So you can like pip install Flash. There is some error happened. Okay, let's do one thing. We'll just delete this. Let's create a new let's create a new virtual environment and then we'll give
Sorry, I'm not sure.
us to create new virtual environment. We have to do something like yes, it is installed. Let's retry. Okay, now it's running. So you can this is a simple program to add two numbers. Now you can see if you reload. I hope you understood there is a mistake on that.